Hey guys, welcome to Datasie. In this video, we're going to cover how to find LCM and GCF using Venn diagrams and prime factorization. We need to apply some steps to find LCM and GCF of two numbers. Step 1, prime factorizations. Step 2, Venn diagrams. Step 3, multiply all numbers in the intersection part of two circles, which is GCF. And step 4, multiply all numbers in both circles, which is LCM. Let's jump into some examples and using this method. Let's start with this example. The LCM and GCF of 144 and 100. In the first step, we're going to use prime factorization. And of course, we have a video about prime factorization, which you can watch it by clicking the link at the top of this video. Prime factorization of 144 is 144 divided by 2 equals to 72. 72 divided by 2 equals to 36. And 36 divided by 2 equals to 18. And 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. So we have 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, and 2. And the prime factorization of 100 is 100 divided by 2 equals to 50. 50 divided by 2 equals to 25. 25 divided by 5 equals to 5. So we have 5, 5, 2, and 2. So the prime factorization of 144 is 2 to the first power times 3 squared. And the next number, which is 100, the prime factorization of 100 is 2 squared times 5 squared. In the next step, we're using Venn diagrams. And now we're going to classify all prime numbers. At first, we'll look at any common prime factors, which are 2 and number 2. And I'm going to put them in the intersection part of these two circles. In the next step, I'm going to put other prime factors from 144, which is 2, 2, 3, and 3 in this part. And other prime factors from 100, which is 5 and 5 in this part. So the GCF of 144 and 100 is the product of all numbers in the intersection part of circles, which is 2 times 2, which equals to 4. And the LCM of 144 and 100 is the product of all numbers in two circles, which is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Or 2 to the first power times 3 squared times 5 squared. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.